Hi, this is Vishal Singhal from CellStrat SmartKids Platform called CSSmartKids.com. I'm one of the co-founders and I'm pleased to tell you about the platform itself. So we train kids between 10 to 17 years of age, that is 5th class to 12th class students in AI technologies. When we started this program, we were quite skeptical as to who will take this program, if kids will come, whether they will like it or not, and if this will fly. To our amazement, when we started the program, the trial classes, we were taken aback by the energy and enthusiasm brought by children there, and the kind of enthusiastic questions they used to ask, as well as always be very enthusiastic and energetically asking and learning and performing in the class right from day one. So some people asked us if this is the right age to learn this advanced technology. So we were confident about it because we have had some experiences in our adult learning platform, CellStrat AI Lab, in offline and online sessions where some students used to come and answer basic Python and machine learning questions quite confidently. And they were always very enthusiastic as to what I can do or cannot do with AI technologies. So when we started this program, some of the students, and I would say even today, when some of the students join, they are skeptical as to whether they will be able to do it. They are nervous if they will be able to solve some coding assignments. But when they start doing it, and I would say quite successfully, they start getting the aha moments. And now I would say they are very confident, whoever has joined us in last 3 to 6 months. And they have also showcased, not only showcased, even code demoed their projects online in a global webinar where 50 to 100 people have attended in last two showcases, and they are very high on their confidence levels as of today, and they are promoting us all across. Some of the videos of children have gone viral and they are getting lots and lots of views, primarily because they are working in real live technology environment on a CellStrat Hub, which is an online coding environment for learning and development. So I welcome you to visit CSSmartKids.com, book your trial session there, and make your kids to try the trial session, and they will be amazed as well as you will be amazed as to what they can do right from day one. Thank you.